Today I'll be teaching you guys how to use ChatGPT. All you need to do is go to Google and type in chat.open AI. So this is what you go for. Click on it, then sign up. Sign up with your email. Click on sign up. Yeah, so this is how the sign up dashboard is going to look like. So all you have to do is click on next. So you are good to go. So to use how to use chat GPT. So you're going to write everything done by AI. It's very simple and very easy to use. So this is how to use it. This is how to set it up. You have to input your email and your phone number, then you are good to go. So I'm just playing with it. Just trying to play with it as well. So this is very amazing. So amazing. It generates everything. You can try again. Let's try again and see what's going to come up. ChatGPT can do anything. You can ask any question, write any essay or anything. So let's go for this. Write, write an essay. Write an essay for a friend. So actually, when I just play with it, so you can see it automatically generates essay. Write it and AI doing its thing. This is very useful for school or for projects and everything. So as you can see, so let's try again. This is how to set up your chat GPT. Thank you guys. Watch other videos, hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.